Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change the background of a photo. I have a photo with a girl with a blurred background, and we will change it to this bright. Select and copy a photo with a girl. Click Ctrl+A, Ctrl+C, and paste Ctrl+V. Reduce the photo with the girl to the size of the canvas. Align the photo in the middle. Click on the selection tool and choose Select and Mask. Then select Subject. Refine hair and click OK. Click Add a Mask. Crop photo. Click Adjustments and choose Brightness Contrast. Brightness move a little to the left. Contrast move a little to the right. If the video was useful for you, like, subscribe, click on the bell so as not to miss new videos. Leave a comment and see you in the next video.